HDFC और HDFC बैंक के मर्जर के ऐलान के बाद HDFC के चेयरमैन दीपक पारेख का कहना है कि मर्जर से दोनों ही कंपनियों के ग्राहकों को काफी फायदा होगा।
Both of us have been evaluating the pros and cons of a possible merger for mutual benefit of both institutions. The merger is coming together of equals. Customers of both HDFC and the bank will be the biggest beneficiaries. However, over the last few years, there have been certain regulatory changes for banks and NBFCs, which have considerably reduced the barriers for a potential merger. The last 3 years has seen a host of guidelines issued by RBI on harmonizing the regulation between banks and NBFCs. These have included guidelines such as large NBFCs should be converted into commercial banks, particularly those over 50,000 crore asset base. NPA classification, which was different before, Reserve Bank has now made the same NPA classification for NBFCs, housing finance and banks. The combined entity will be in a position to offer the mortgage product seamlessly as under the current arrangement between HDFC and HDFC Bank, where the bank sources mortgages and acquires a predetermined percentage of the loans sourced through the assignment route. Infusion of capital in the bank will no longer be a drag on ROE of the mortgage business. Subject to RBI and other regulatory approvals, material subsidiaries and associate companies of HDFC Limited will continue to be owned by HDFC Bank. This will facilitate more efficient cross-selling of banking and financial service products, including insurance and mutual funds. Value of HDFC will not be depressed by the holding company discount insofar as it relates to the shares of the bank. So the holding company discount, which is huge today, will disappear because 60-70% of the unrealized gain of HDFC were due to our holding in the bank of 21%.
ओके तो आज का दिन HDFC बैंक के इस मर्जर के डील के नाम, क्योंकि यहाँ पर हम देख रहे हैं उसी का असर है जो दिन भर बाजार में नजर भी आ रहा है। बट कमिंग ऑन टू मिड कैप्स, जहाँ हम देख रहे हैं